Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane. Ain't about the trade. Have another trader. Get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What's going on, Otter Gang? What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you've had a wonderful morning. You're already rich. You're just here to hang out and talk a bunch of smack. Bitcoin up, down, all around, boring AF, and we're just gonna sit here and hang out. What's going on, everybody? We got an aggressive poll today to see what you guys are really all about, and that's food. Sometimes we just go off the Richter here, and we go and we talk about food. Does pineapple belong on peanut butter? Peanut butter. What am I saying? On pizza. Does peanut butter belong on pizza? Do you guys got like a wacky pizza combo? And those who are like down with the pizza, we got to have a conversation here. What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for being here. Let's jump into the charts. Bitcoin. Boring. Here we are. Oh, man, oh, man, oh, man. I said pineapple on peanut butter, guys. So you know how today's going to go. Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. Hanging out. Bitcoin. Boring, right? Boring. Oh, man. And that's okay. Boring is better than, what's the opposite of boring? Well, exciting, but really what we have is, we have a downwards channel. All the flag guys are like, so, they're excited, man. I've never seen a more happier flag community in my, we got the bullish, we got the descending wedge friends. We got those guys. We got the trumpet guys. The rusty trombone. Those guys. We got the what else do we got? We got the bear flagish guys. Those guys. We got what else do we got in here? We can find it. Oh, there's our bear. There's our bull flag. But right now we're just chop, man. Chop, which is okay because we can take advantage of it as scalpers, up, down, all around. We have taken some great trades this week. We caught this move. We didn't catch the short yesterday, but we did catch the long back up. Been a challenging one. Yesterday the play was the short. Okay, so we missed that one during the live stream, but that's okay. We'll see if we do want to go today. Bitcoin's bouncing at VWAP here, trying to push out. We'll see if it wants to go. Coming up here, looking for a push into this area here. This is a previous daily high area, and we'll see if we bounce from there. Let's say good morning to everybody in the chat. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. God bless every single one of you guys. Trader Geo's in here. Armory Piper's in here. Jay Valid's in here. Aziz is in here. Good morning to you guys. Jesse, good luck. What's going on? Donato Cabrera. What's going on? Otter gang. Everybody fighting for this, like, experience tree. I got no idea how this thing works. What is a leaderboard? A place for fans to stand out in the community. The top 3 get special badges. So you get a beautiful sheriff's badge in the live chat and resets every stream so they can try again. Okay, how do you get on the leaderboard? You need to collect experience points. Here's how you get them. Send live chat messages. Send super chats. All right, there you go. Congratulations to all those who are ranked. You guys are my heroes. What's going on, Jay Valley? Good to see you. Splashy Guitars. Good morning to you, Albert Rad, Jag, Gukka. What's going on, bro? Donato Cabrera. My man, what's going on, bro? Good to see you in here. Rashad, good morning to you. Trader Geo, whoever is eliminating pizza is nuts. Guys, is this really a debate? Okay, steak and pizza stay, man. You got a debate here between pasta and tacos. Now, the problem is that the pasta, the pasta's got variety. You can go al dente, you can go creamy sauce, you can go tomato sauce, you can do a pesto, you can do a gnocchi, you can do a ravioli. Okay, you're talking to an Italian here. We can make it a mess with the best. Okay, we make it a mess with the best. We can take it a rigatoni and make it with some meat sauce, and mix that together. Madonna, you're good to go. Okay. So you're gonna go to Tacoville and you gotta talk to OC guy about the tacos. Now, put a 1 in the chat if you're a hard taco kind of guy or gal, or put a 2 in the chat if you're a soft taco kind of burrito kind of person. I'm a 2. I don't like things that crumble and get everywhere. I like a nice wrapped burrito kind of thing. You guys let me know, man. But you don't mess with the pasta. So the tacos for me, the tacos got to go. The tacos got to go. That's me. The tacos got to go. I can't re-vote, man. I can't re-vote. But the tacos got to go. What's going on, Jesse? Good quick smoker. My man, what's going on, brother? Good to see you in here. View up. And it's holding view up here. We'll see if we just want to push. Some guys, some people know. What's going on? Happy Thursday here from the Nexus. Thank you for being here, man. God bless you. Shout out to the Nexus, man. Great people, great traders, all learning from a great trader themselves, Mr. Geo. Thanks for coming through, man. Muckin, what's going on? Frank Evans, good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Crypto Ben, T-Fato, what's going on? Good morning. Good morning. Call me Dave Synthetic. What's going on, man? Good to see you as well. Hopefully you're doing well. Little push here. Bitcoin Dreamer. Good morning, gang. Who in the right mind to eliminate steak? Yeah, I don't know, man. Pizza's gone. Paper planes, what's going on, man? I think we're going to have the campaign coming out today. I just talked to my rep, just getting it all set up. Rashad, Zena, what's going on? Frost, Dog, Billionaire. My man, what's going on? You. Good morning, good morning. Jason, what's going on? Alexandra G, hopefully you're doing well. Alexandra G, which one are you eliminating? I want to know. I got to know. I kind of got to know. F1, good morning to you. Rashad, good luck. Anonymous, Seymour, Liddy, gang. Look at this little push we got going on here. I don't like this at all. This is some ugly ass price action. However, we are mitigating a high right now, so that's a good little sweep. If we were to short, this would be it. Not going to be taking this. Not with this slow price action. We could be looking to target back down to the lows at least. Or we get breakout retest, right? We get the whoop boop boop. But right now you're really just playing with fire. In this area, you're playing with fire. You want to see a confirmed move. Same with like I don't know. Maybe Geo could help us here. Geo's good with USDT dominance. Retesting here. So this to me looks bullish. The problem with this right here is this right here. That's my concern. I was looking at this yesterday. This looks good, but this low scares me because it's a nice SFP, right? So this is an SFP followed by higher highs and higher lows, and this could push at least up into here. But then we could SFP back down. So USDT dominance. Yeah. I would love to see it drop. We have an aggressive, we could start to break down here. If we lose this low, we're good to go. But for now, I'm a little bit cautious with the longs, right? We'll see how this holds. I wonder what Geo thinks about USDT dominance because I know he charts it out a lot. I'm just concerned about that SFP down low. What's going on, everybody? Good morning, Darren. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Synthetic. Good morning, everybody. I just asked that you please say good morning. The actual numbers since I went on Vegas, they're down a little bit. You guys are smashing up like buttons, supporting the channel. That's really good. But since coming back from Vegas, I think this choppy market's really it's not inviting for new traders, and it's not an easy trade, if we're being honest. I said to the Discord today, if you've done okay this week, like I've done exceptionally well. Because I've caught that, we talk about small wins, small losses, big wins, small losses. I've caught a big win this week, right? So I had a $3,000 trade this week. So that's really helped me. But besides that, yesterday was a $300 day, right? $300 day. We caught this move in here. Which one was it? We didn't catch this one yesterday. That was a kind of a piss off. But we caught this one here. That was beautiful. Made lots of money there. This was a $300 day, $3,000 day, $300 day, $300 day yesterday. So you keep stacking, right? You can keep winning. But small wins, small losses, and eventually every now and then you get a nice... You hit a triple or a home run, you know what I mean? You get that nice you get a little bit extra juice on that contact and you make that good money. The best part is, we've protected our capital. Hopefully everybody's protected their money this week. That's the key. On weeks like this, it's Chop City. You got to protect it. Defense. Anonymous, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Seymour Liddy. Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. JR, what's going on, brother? Good to see you. Paul Caruso, my man. Jesse, Y and V, what's going on? G-Man, what's going on, brother? Good to see you. DSV, Crypto Ace, Paper Planes, my guy. What's going on? Dan Bartley, Apulia, what's going on? Good to see you. Shamitris, Colin Crypto, JRMO. We got a JR and a JRMO. What's the MO, man? Ace of Hearts, good morning. Good to see you. What's going on, Rashad? Thank you so much for being here. We got Crypto Billy in the chat. Mark Dutch, Nick Musgrave, Alexander G, Dave Digital. Shout out to the mods. God bless you guys. We're doing a mod stream tomorrow, everybody. So make sure that you're here tomorrow with your wallets to support the beautiful, beautiful community that we have here and the mods that, keep it safe and protected. It's very important. Geez, Bitcoin don't give a beep. Good morning, Army Piper, my man. Good morning, Dan Bartley. What's going on, Piper? Dex, good morning, JR. Tony Soprano, what's going on? Rashad, J Violet. All right, this is very aggressive this morning. So we got a breakout coming right now. So we are breaking out. Anybody long? We are breaking out right now. They're sending it. They're sending it out of this downtrend here, guys. So breakout retest possibility. Coming up to a previous day pivot here. That's what I'd be looking for. We'll see if we get it. NASDAQ. NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ's in a little bit of a flag too, right? So we're both flagging here. I mean, all the pattern traders are out today, man. They're full-fledged pattern traders. This is beautiful. Bitcoin ripping. Do we got a tweet or something? Is there something that's a catalyst here? That's what I'm interested in. Is there someone tweeting? Or do we got news data? Because today we don't have any news data. It's tomorrow we got non-farm and unemployment rates. So it should be a pretty clean trading today, but you never know with this market, man. What's going on, Dusty? He says F pasta. Let's go. Dusty, I'll invite you over for dinner, man. I'll make you a steak. How about that? John Foster Crypto. Good morning to you, Dusty. Maya, what's going on? Gang. God bless. Good morning. Getting the groove back. Got to fly down to El Paso. Nice, man. Dingbat, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. Tacos. I didn't even have to think about that for a second. Let's go. We're all getting rid of pasta's bad carbs. Not all pasta's bad carbs. Oh man, we're gonna get the Italians mad here, man. Moon phases, BingX, what's going on? Dave Digital, Crypto, Rob Synthetic. What does Billy say? Billy, if you got to take out one of these, Billy, what are you going? Where are you going? Now, we got some hard taco. G-Man's likes a hard taco. G-Man's, he likes that hard, nice tortilla. How do they say it? It sounds so good when they say it. Tortilla. I can't say it like that. Come on. Wave Cypher. We got a whole bunch of rappers in here. We got Wave Cypher, Curtis Hill, Greg. They're all rapping. JR. 3, Tony? What's 3, Tony? 3 is he doesn't even use a rap. He just eats it straight up. Mucking, good morning. Coming up to some resistance right now. SFP of the high. We'll see if we do want to continue to push here. Mucking, good morning. Chantel, good morning. Good to see you as well. Crypto G, what's going on? Like 26 is Dave Digitals. Let's go, baby. We got 230 people on the live stream, guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smacking up those like buttons. We talking food. We talking trading. We making money every single day. Hanging out with you guys. So it's been a fun week so far. Just actually crushing it, man. Crushing it. All-time high this week. Possible, yeah. We have been talking about that 12-hour trigger wave quite extensively on since Monday. Since Monday, we said 12-hour trigger wave could be printed on Friday. What's going on, Crypto Surfer? Good to see you, bro. It's good to see you in Hackers yesterday. Yeah, man. I teach in too many Discords, okay? I'm always here, always working, always trying to help people kind of change their trajectory in trading, man. A lot of people just come in here and they press buy and sell and they fail, and we don't want people to fail. We want people to succeed. Sometimes you got to give them the harsh reality that trading isn't easy, and managing risk is the number one job. I mean, keeping your money is the hard part. People will say that, but people don't understand that until they start trading, and then they see their P&L look like, instead of slow and steady gains, right? Slow and steady gains, right? That's why we're not buying this right now. Everybody here wants to press buy right now. Am I wrong? There's no reason to press buy here. Run away. Now we can look for a retest back in here, but for now we wait. Right? Overextension to the upside. No trade for now. We wait. Which is good discipline. It's very important to be able to sit and watch something like this occur and not press any stupid buttons, okay? It's called discipline, all right? There's no trade. You don't take the trade. It takes time. I was the same. I would just press buy right now, and I would get rugged. Or I'd win, and then it'd tease me. You'd win a couple times buying right here, and then all of a sudden, you're wondering why it goes boop the other way, right? What's going on, Nick? Good to see you, bro. How you been, man? Beautiful picture of your boy there this morning in the Discord. Matthew Fiesel. Good morning, Christopher. Good morning. Good to see you as well. Dave Digital. We're going to find some lurkers today, Dave Digital, man. Are you on the hunt already? Anonymous, to be fair, AlexOCrypto, you put pineapple on pizza, so you think have adopted have been adopted and referred to tacos from Taco Bell. Yeah, I bet. Way different. I mean, I've had Taco. I used to have, okay, so like I've had Taco Bell. I haven't had Taco Bell since I was probably 20, 21. In college, there used to be a Taco Bell across from my house. You know what is the only thing that's good at Taco Bell is the cinnamon twist things, man. Put a 1 in the chat if you know what I'm talking about. Those cinnamon twisty things. They're like air cinnamon twists. They're so bomb, man. I haven't had one of those in so long. Like these little like twisty cinnamony mini. Man, this is aggressive. There's got to be news, guys. What is going on? This is just up only. This is up only. Breaking through here. What's going on, Billy? What did you say? Do you want steak? You're eliminating steak, Billy? Curtis Neal, good morning. Gang. Maybe a Band-Aid. Well. Army Piper, I think you're eliminating pasta. That's my guess. He hasn't said, though. What's going on, Andrew Cameron? French Toaster, Curtis Hill, Curtis Neal, Brumbelow. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, Glory Wolf. Mass Rider, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Looking for some continuation up here. The real people stay, Alex. Yeah. I mean, I'm grateful for the community here. We've been absolutely crushing it this week. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smacking up those like buttons. We got 300 people in here, 75 likes. We're here live every Monday to Friday. Trading Biddy. Scalping every single day. You know, I think we're 6 for 7 this week. So 6 for 7. What happened yesterday, man? Quick scalp. I think that's $100 or something yesterday. Yeah, we didn't take yesterday. We didn't take the short. We took the long here. We took this long here. That's it. We didn't take the short, though. We should have taken the short order block retest, but we took the long. We made some money, okay? Nice push here for Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. Sui's starting to try and break here, everybody in the Discord. Watch for Sui today. Looking for that breakout retest. Won't give it to everybody, but we'll give it to some, right? Zafir, good morning to you, man. How's it going, Mark? How's it going, bro? Good to see you. Mr. Brumbelow, my man. So nice meeting you in person, bro, and your family. God bless you. Okay, so we're SFPing the highs right now. Zoom out a little bit, guys. Come on, we're on the 15 here. Zooming out, we're SFPing right here. We're breaking out of this downtrend. We got target. Well, we know our pink wall is the main target, but we are breaking out here. Nice push. I gave the long yesterday in the Discord. I don't know if anybody in the Discord's still long off of that. Anybody long right now? Let me know. What did I give yesterday? Let me look, because I was looking for this. I got rid of it. So long from 104.7, stop loss at 104.2. 104.7. 104.7. 104.2. Yeah, you guys be rich right now. You guys be rich right now. That's all I got to say. That's all I got to say. Is anybody in the Discord still long off of that setup? Break a structure here off of the SFP. What do we got there? Downtrending momentum. Yeah. Break a structure retest. So that was here. That was your trade setup. Merry Christmas. It does work, man. It does work. Even when you don't. It's pretty cool, man. Way too late for me in the day to be trading that, though. Way too late. Coming into our little liquidity sell wall here, we do have a pivot in here. Okay, so this is our previous day pivot. We'll see if we do want to continue through here. Nice push. Okay, so we can be looking. So initial resistance right now, but we can be looking for a retest continuation trade here. So kind of stuck in the middle. No trade for now. Shout out to everybody here. Shout out to the Otter gang. God bless you guys. We'll do a top-down analysis. Thank you, everybody, for kicking ass, taking names. We got a whole bunch of you in the chat here with your soft tacos, man. MexCrypto, what's going on, man? Greg, good morning. Alex, good morning to you. European rate cuts, okay. Milan, good morning to you. Darren, Euro cut, okay. Euro cut. They will rug before tariff news. 1 a.m., everything is good at Taco Bell. Yeah, exactly. We got a call from the lurker. Good morning, Alex Moto. Coolison, just a sub. Good luck on your math exam, man. Good luck. You'll be good. You'll be good. Just study. Get off the charts right now and go and study, bro. No eliminating taco. So what are you eliminating? Everybody's taco or pasta, guys. Taco or pasta. The real boss man. They wrecked James Wynn and now they're pumping it to the moon. Let's go. Pasta. He goes pasta. My God. Chinese noodles are definitely included in pasta. That's where pasta was invented. Italians just added the sauce, just like pizza. Curtis Neal pasta. Man, you guys are breaking my heart, man. Sui's crossing that trend line. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Sui's gone, baby. No trade for me. Damn, Daniel. Things are breaking out. They're breaking out. What are we going to do? Are we going to chase price, everybody? Look at that USDT dominance dying. Beautiful. Mitigation of that low. This is bullish, everybody. I like it. I like it. Pengu's going to go to the moon, everybody. If you know, you know. Shout out to the Discord. I'm long Pengu. Kind of. How about that fart coin setup? Anybody in the fart coin setup I gave? That's that fart coin's banging right now. Hot air, baby. Hot air. You guys got to come to the Discord. I mean, I'm just dropping bombs. Fart bombs. On to Poncho. Good morning to you, Dusty. Buck. What's going on, Wick? Dave Digital. David Brumbelow. You can't give up tacos and eat a burrito instead. That is cheating. That is cheating. You guys are so bad. Steak is overrated. You're probably eating the wrong steak, bro. I don't know about that. I think steak is not overrated. No trade right now, guys. Just watching this thing rip. I mean, big balloon dog on Sui. Yeah, the Discord knows all the trade setups I've given. I ain't gonna go and like plaster them in here because there's a lot. I mean, I gave you guys a plethora of ideas. I mean, how many ideas do you need? You guys got. I think you guys got a lot. We can go and check some of them if you want to show everybody else what they're missing out on. I guess that's good advertisement, right? What did we do? We did let's go and take a look. We're looking at some poop coins. So we're looking at, I believe it was Brett. Okay, we just missed Brett. Brett's running away from us. Popcat. Popcat's underwater. Pengu. Pengu's trying to bounce right now. So you still got a chance here, guys. Dog whiff hat. There you go. We looked at the cocky coin, the cocky new. Can't believe I say that. That's almost embarrassing, man. Okay. We met Sui. Oh, Soul looks good too. Link looks. I bet you Nick is looking at Link right now. Stalling out here, Biddy. No need to chase price right now. Just a little patience, okay, everybody? Just hold your horses. We got a nice break, but come on. We're not going to get excited about a 0.5% move here in the morning. Okay, that's not something we like to do here. Empire Trades, what's going on? Crypto Junkie. We're going to do some top-down analysis. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smacking up that like button. 350 people here, only 100 likes. I don't know. I think YouTube is trying to rug me a little bit here. We had less viewership the past couple days. You guys wouldn't mind just tickling that like button, subscribing if you're new. Welcome. We're here taking trades every single day. We'd love for you to join us. It's never financial advice. I'm a hobbit carpenter who does press buy and sell successfully every single day. Full-time trader for over almost 2 years now. Is it 2 years or is it 3 years? I don't even know now. It's a long time. Since here. This is, how long is this? We went full-time here. Almost 2 years. Yeah, almost 2 years. Full-time. No paid Discord until here. When did we charge for the Discord? We didn't charge for the Discord until here. Started trading, profitable. Full time. Charged for the Discord. That's how it went. So between here and here, I'm paying for everything with my trading. This is only when the Discord started being charged. You can do it too. That's all I'm saying. Is that you can do it too. Didn't take me too long to become a profitable trader. This was the hardest part. After learning risk management, this was the hardest part. Compounding an account so that I could go full time. It's hard work. Stressful too. Nice push into our sell wall here, coming up to the liquidity and the highs over here. Okay, so let's see if we do sweep this high here as well. thank you everybody for being here and supporting the channel, smacking up that like button. That means the world to me. So right now we're getting a little bit of a break. Okay, so looking for a push up right now. Literally, we are range bound between the lows here at 103 all the way up to 106. So a nice $3,000 range within Biddy here, 3% range. A very chunky volume, which is fine. Coming up to that POC, smacking that right now as we speak. So what are we looking for right now? If we get rid of all this stuff and we look at price action, yes, we've just pumped, but no trade. We're not chasing the price as we speak. So we have this ugly topping pattern, okay? Very ugly topping pattern, okay? So as long as we hold literally like above this in here, you know, we're pretty Gucci, as they say in the new kids, you know, Gucci. Breakout retest continuation is what I see. A lot of people are going head and shoulders. It's not slanted down, so I'm not too worried, right? We are a little bit overextended, so we're looking for these lows to hold. We are still putting in higher lows all throughout this price action. So happy days, okay? Now, can we break and get above? Here is our next kind of task, 106. We want to see get above 106 and push, okay? But if we fail here, we could see something like this. We were talking about that yesterday, that we could see a little bit of a rollover, right? We could see a rollover here. And that would be, everybody would cry quite nicely. But at the end of the day, we do have massive support coming in at like 92,000 in here. Okay, so don't be too scared. We'll be all right. I'm still bullish. I'm just aware that, you know, there's a lot of liquidity down in here and that we could come and get it quite easily. So be prepared for anything. That's what we want to do. Now, looking at our daily, we do have a trigger wave trying to push up to the upside here, and we are looking for the 12-hour anchor trigger wave to fire off going into Friday. That is what we are definitely looking for, and look at what we are getting. Okay, we were talking about this here. We were talking about it here. So, curvature, VWAP crossover, anchor trigger wave. Bullish. AF, especially. Why is it very bullish? Because it's green money flow and we're in an uptrend, okay? The money is green. Look at this curvature in here. That is suggesting a big push. So from that curvature that we got over here, we were able to kind of forecast this. Not perfect every time, but pretty good. Okay, so the 12-hour looks juicy. We want this to close positive, and obviously it's pushing right now, and it's running away from everybody, and you guys got to let me know. Are you guys long? Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Let me know if you're absolute degen and you bought this and you don't care because you're making money right now. You got to let me know. Put a 1 in the chat. Crypto Mike, good morning. Ace of Hearts, good morning. JR, good morning. Wick, good morning. Arpad, good morning. Let's see. Let's see it. Come on, guys. Let's go. Good morning. You guys are definitely part of the gang. Let's see some other gang in the chat. Let's see some gang. Oh, man. You guys never, ever fail to surprise me. All right, let's get back to the top down. So beautiful trigger wave. We even said it last night. We reminded you last night because, you know, that's how awesome the Discord is. Over in my TA section here, we said this is what we're looking for. So this is playing out quite perfectly right now, this trade. And then we said this. This is what we were looking for on the 12-hour. If we get this on the 12-hour, we're going to into Friday. We go boom. That's as simple as I can keep it. We go boom. Okay. This to me looks like a fake out, by the way, and it's this stupidness, right? Update, all the good stuff, all the trades. Kyle shorting Litecoin. I mean, the Discord is. If you can't make $50 off of the Discord, you probably shouldn't be trading. Like, just spoon-fed. Like, how can you mess this up? Here you go. Right? It's pretty simple. I mean, massive levels, massive, you know, analysis every morning, looking for, I mean, it's always there. HRJ, absolute banging these trades out for you guys too. Look at this thing here. We got a 15% move here on comp. People paying their whole, people paying for their entire membership, 5 months worth of membership from one trade. Like, people just crushing it, man. I mean, and we're kind. I don't really have to sell this. I'm tired of selling this. I sold it like all the past weeks ago. Just good job, everybody. I'm glad we built such a strong community and continue to kick ass, take names, man. That's it. Okay, nice push here. 8-hour anchor trigger wave, same deal. Okay, same deal here. 8-hour trying to push up, continuation up. Nice break right now, guys. Nice break. Careful of the fake out. That's all I got to say. But we're getting a doji engulfing right now as we speak, which is bullish. 4-hour trigger wave, which is bullish. Okay. All looking good. All of it is looking good, baby. Nice push. 2-hour pushing up. 1 hour pushing up. Not even overextended. Stochastics flipping green. This looks good as well. Okay. So nice push for Biddy. What are we looking for? Liquidity sweep all the way up to our 106 area, right? So we have taken most of it. We still got some room to go, right? So right now, next target and next target. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. Come and get it, baby. Continuation. However, let's not get faked out this morning going into market open. Want to be level-headed as possible, as we normally do. Want to be patient. We want to wait for a pullback. Wait for continuation. Okay, that's going to be critical, especially in a day like this where it's up only. There's money to be made, but it's also there's money to be saved as well. Okay, so we got our targets in here. We got our VWAP. We're ready to go, baby. So let's get into it. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We're prepared. You're prepared. We got some volume pushing up in here. We'll see how high it does want to go. Very overextended here. And we'll see if we do get a pullback. We've put in our first real, I would say our first real order block in here now. So we can look for this to break out, retest and go. Let's be patient though. 412 people in here, 140 likes. That's great, guys. Thank you so much. And thank you for being here. It's been a good week so far, everybody. So let's keep it going. Be patient. A little bit of a rush trade, I think, yesterday. Stopped out for $70. Then we took a couple more trades, and we made 150 on the live stream. I was able to take another trade in the evening and take a trade with the Discord, make another couple hundred. Base hits, baby. You make 100, you lose 70. You make 100, 200, 100. Right? You got a $400, $300 day. It's not like rocket science. It's just good risk management. High probability trades, rinse and repeat over and over and over again. And you can grow your account. That's it. That's all we want you to do is grow your account, be a grower and a shower. I'm a grower and a shower. I got to come on here and yell at you guys sometimes, which I don't mind. I know it's a privilege to be on the tube of Youb and hang out with you guys and talk smack. Sometimes I just want to sleep in and wake up at 9:30 and just trade open. Don't get me wrong. There's many days where I wake up and I'm like, really? Really? But then I remember you got people like, Billy coming through and Albert Rajag Guk and Mark Dutch and all the gang. Randy Hipper. What's going on, Randy? How you doing? It was so nice having dinner with you and Billy and everybody. That was such a good evening. Milan, good morning, Wave Cypher. Especially after Vegas, I really want to sleep in too. Yeah, I still feel like a little bit lagged, David Brumbelow. I still feel like I don't know, because it's a 3-hour time difference. You get there and you're like, I was getting up at 3 a.m. when I first got there because my son typically wakes up at 6 a.m. over here in Canada in my igloo. So he was getting up at 3 a.m. I was getting up at 3 a.m. And, I'm back now and I'm like tired at like 7. And I'm like, what is wrong with me? Am I nambe-pambe or what? Trade fly in the chat. What's going on, brother? 3 drives on the 1 minute says, they're going to rug everybody. I'd be looking here for a continuation, possibly. Target previous day here. We'll see. I mean, we're splitting hairs here. Really trying to split some hairs, so we'll see if we get it there, Wave Cypher. Thank you for being here, man. Hopefully you've had a good rest. I know you've been busy AF, man. Bitcoin ripping, baby. Will it pull back or will it just keep going up only? That is the question. Tempting to long. Tempting to long. Thou shalt not long. Thou shalt not long. A little patience here, everybody. So, you guys, tacos and pasta are pretty close. Pretty close. So we're gonna end that poll. We're gonna actually start the actual poll. Okay, so one has to go. Everybody, tacos, including soft. Okay, pasta. Randy, I know you like food. So Randy, one's got to go. Where you going, girl? Where you going? Where you going? Bitcoin ripping. Good morning, Pietro. Cesar. What's going on? Alexandra G in the chat. Harp, what's going on, man? Good to see you as well. These polls hurt. You gotta. Well, we know steak and pizza are untouchable, right? Steak, pizza, Alpha Foods. Okay. What about steak on pizza? Oh man, like those sirloin strips, like some fancy pizza. Ooh, give me some Parmigiana. Oh, Madonna. Oh, we all getting hungry here. Everybody had breakfast this morning. Everybody's had breakfast, right? This don't look too good right here. This looks like it's coming down. NASDAQ dippy on NASDAQ. Trying to break out, retest, continuation. Look at the big sweep on NASDAQ. We'll see how the SPY opens right now, but ES is looking okay, flagging out. I like this, guys. I like the mitigation of the low here on dominance, on USDT dominance. We're looking for the rejection here as well. Look at that confluence, guys. Kicking ass, taking names. Randy won't admit to what she's eliminating. Shake and bake, baby. Shake and bake. Continuation here. Randy's lost her voice. Too much fun. She's having too much fun in Vegas. It's that dry air. Oh my God, is it dry in Vegas? It is dry. Steak pizza is great. Let's go. Sniper's Nightmare knows what's up. There's no way, right? It's pasta is just so flexible, man. You can't include soft, man. That means burritos too. I'm going to predict pasta wins now. So this is tight, man. This is tight. I'm still tacos out the window, man. Tacos are gone. I'm like Mario Kart. Out the back, you're slipping on it, okay? Got that super saucy, greasy burrito. Steak tacos. Uh-oh. Oh, man. Steak tacos. What about a steak pasta? What about a beautiful, like, shrimp pasta? Like, a nice shrimp pasta. Oh, man. Bitcoin's ripping, baby. Bitcoin doesn't care. Bitcoin to the moon. My God, guys. Do we got to jump on the gravy train or something? Now we look for a breakout retest continuation trade here. Jeez. I get the FOMO now. I got the FOMO now. You win. Okay, you win. Breakout retest continuation trade. Look for that wick test into here. Everybody's going to be like, don't do it. Don't do it. HRJ, what's going on, bro? Good to see you in the chat, man. How hungry is everybody? Yeah, that's it, right? Everybody hungry now. Good morning, Vietnam. Look at that sweep, man. Coming in for that sweep up in that key level here. Retest here. Looking for the retest continuation trade. Take profits early if we do take it. Looking for that retest continuation trade here. I'm in the long now. Quick. I'm in the long quick. I'm taking profits quick though. If we continue to push here. Nice push. Come on, Bitcoin. Push it. Push it, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Stop loss to entry. Stop loss to entry. 75% out. Quick $70, guys. I mean, I got the FOMO. I don't know about you, but I got the FOMO, but I can manage well. I took 75% out already. We'll see if it runs. Halfway down the wick, enter, and let it rip. And if it rips, it rips. If not, whatever. Quick $70. I liked it. See if it wants to continue. It's very risky. My stop loss was right up here. See if it wants to continue to push here. My God. I FOMO'd in. I took my money and I ran, okay? Quick $70 to start the day, everybody. That halfway down the candle pullback is just it's just easy, man. Just easy. See if we do want to continue up. Effing Ninja says Buck. Yeah, man. That's it, bro. Let's see if we do want to push here. If we don't push, whatever. We made a quick $70. Who cares, right? FOMO arigato, Mr. Roboto. FOMO. Let's go, baby. Keep pushing, baby. Looking for the Jesus take the wheel short. Okay. Y'all nuts. Smash landing. Oh. Which invite is still invalid? For the Discord? The Discord invite should be good, man. I can't wait to short this. Feels like a trap. It's definitely a trap, Binksy. Doesn't mean you can't make money off the trap. Where's our next take profit, everybody? 105,964. 105, 937. Front run it a little bit. If it hits, guys. Then we laughing all the way to the bank, man. We Lloyd Banks in it. Straight to the bank. What do you guys think? Should we close it or should we hold it? Put a 1 in the chat to hold. Put a 2 in the chat to close it. Quick $100 this morning. You guys let me know. Anonymous Harp, what's going on? 1 in the chat to hold it. 2, close it. Billy says close it. Hold it. Hold it. We got a lot of hold it and close it's. You got to know when to hold them. Know when to close them. Know when to run. You want me to close it so that we can take another one. I get it. I got you. I know what you're up to. You just want me to take more trades. I get it. I would want to see me take more trades too if I was watching me. You got 481 people in here. God bless you guys, man. Thank you guys for being here and hanging out, man. We always having a great time here. Pressing buy and sell successfully on a daily basis. Hanging out with you guys. Talking about food today. One's got to go. We got tacos and pasta, guys. For me, tacos out the window, man. I'm chucking the tacos. So far, tacos are getting chucked. You guys let me know, man. We only got 148 votes and 400 people in here. There's a lot of votes to continue here. G-Man, hold to 106, 800. Okay. I'm going to hold. I've got $70 out of the market. I could care less if it comes back and closes me out. What do I have to lose? Right? London Orb made it 1-3. JR, did you take that long setup I gave in the Discord, bro? Well, I seen you take a Orb London trade, but it was confluence with my trade setup I gave at night. I think I saw you get long. I mean, you're up later. You're out west, so you got 3 more hours. And how about those Oilers, bro? How about those Oilers kicking ass last night? Mine it, own it. I'll shake it as much as I want. All right. Dave's shaking what his mama gave him this morning. So 106.9. Okay, we got some key levels from everybody. So we got a daily pivot up here. Okay, previous daily pivots are very good targets. This is a very free indicator, okay? You got your previous open, you got your daily closes, your previous day close, right? This would be our previous day high that we are targeting, okay? Very simple, easy targets for the day. You can make lots of money off of just knowing where your rotational targets are, right? We have an amazing trader in our Discord who does provide that stuff for us. Very clean, very nice charts on all of us. Look at this. Previous daily high, 106, right? So just rotations. CVO is crushing it all the time, man, giving us so many good setups and so many good levels for trading in our Discord. So, I mean, you're keeping it simple. We're probably stopped out just now. There we go. Stopped out. Quick $70. GG's, everybody. I don't mind that. Should have listened to Billy, as usual. Billy, I heed your advice. But there was nothing to lose there, man. So, we wait now. You guys got your wish. AlexOCrypto looking for another trade. Congratulations, everybody. If you did take a little scalp with me. And then we go. Should have closed. It's $30, man. It's $30, Mike. At the end of the day, it's a little scalp. We took profit early, and if it ran, it ran. I think there's a good probability that we could have continued and ripped, and instead of making $70, we make 170, right? That's a very safe way of trading. Could have taken the extra 30, but to me, the $30 is a good risk to reward for trying to maximize that. Because let's say it runs, you're entered here, and it runs, you're very safe if it's like flagging out here. Your entry is pretty safe, so you can just let it go. If it's gonna go, and as we know Bitcoin, sometimes when it goes, it just don't stop. Right? So we get in as safely as we can. We take profit early because we're getting late on this push. Right? So either way, we made some money, and that's it. We keep doing it, right? We keep doing it. Rinse and repeat, baby. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good fun, man. Good fun. I'm too slow by the time I get my stop loss set and already underwater. Well, you guys see how I use the exchange, and also we do have a video on how to be quick with it. Copy and price, marketing in, stop loss to entry. Pretty got to be pretty quick with it when you're scalping, or you gotta. A lot of the time with scalping too, you know, for me, I'll take 75% out really quickly. Some people just take 100 right away, right? So you're in and out really quickly, quick base hits, right? Trades by Matt does that, where he's entered, the stop loss is preset, and the take profits preset. You're just going for that base hit 10-point trade, right? So you got to get good at setting this up really quickly. Or you can do it automatically through your exchange, where you have your exchange here, right? There's our quick $70 this morning. Congratulations. But you can do, you know, your take profit and stop loss here, right? You enter, you got your stop loss already, okay? And whatever nominal amount you trade with, you should be only risking 1% of your account per trade. Otherwise, you're probably gambling and losing money. I don't care if you're gambling; you're just losing money, and I hate to see that, man. I don't. You work hard for your money. You want to make this a career. You want to make, you know, this part of your income. Well, if you're risking too much, the problem is that you don't have only small losses. You have big losses, and big losses is the one you must eliminate. You want small wins, small losses, and big wins and small losses. Big losses are not allowed. This thing is ripping, everybody. This thing is ripping. We'll see if it wants to continue here. Let's go, baby. I'm going to do a giveaway right now. We're going to do a membership giveaway. Go over to FD White here. My man. All right. This level must hold. You're going to go over here. You're going to go over to this video. You're going to comment Otter Gang on FD White here. Otter Gang. Coming through for FD. My man. How's it going, bro? One of the most humble, kind people in the spaces. Got to hang out at Bitcoin conference. 1 month membership to the Otter Gang Discord. Go over here to this video. Comment Otter Gang on his beautiful, beautiful channel. Show some love for FD, guys. Let's go over here. We're going to do it real quick, guys. Discord members already. You can already go. You'll get 30 USDT if you do win. Go over here. Comment Otter Gang. We're going to do the giveaway real quick as Bitcoin's pumping here. All right. Comment picker. You got to go quick, man. Otter Gang. Go and smack that like button. Subscribe to FD. Let's get up those numbers for my man. He's working hard every day. Let's see if we can get him to at least 2,160. Let's see if you guys can get him to 2,160, everybody. 2,170. You guys are already crushing it. Let's keep going. Let's subscribe to this guy. Let's see if we can get him to 2.2. That would be cool, guys. A great trader, an honest trader, a guy flips bags, man. He makes lots of money, guys. So if you want to learn, and you want to take this seriously, I never show people who won't do you right. Okay? I'm a giver's gain. Let's go and subscribe to FD White, everybody. Smack up those like buttons. Let's do a giveaway. What's 9 and 9? 22, right? We got otters in here. The gang's got to show up, man. The gang, we want to see the infiltration of otters, man. That's how we roll here. 2.2, let's go, baby. God bless you guys. Otter gang, gang, gang. Showing up for the right people in the industry and the space, man. Let's see the gang in the chat, man. Let's see that gang in the chat. Gang, gang, gang. Yeah, baby. Smacking up that subscribe button. Subscribing to my man FD over there. He working hard. He's bringing you alpha all the time. Man's been in the space. This guy traveled all of Asia on his crypto earnings, man. He's doing it right. He'll show you the right way. Honest and transparent. Good person. 2.21. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Smacking up that subscribe button for my man FD over here. Let's do the giveaway, everybody. Thank you for supporting my friend. He's my neighbor. He's my neighbor. I love you, bro. All right, let's see who's gonna win here, everybody. Winner, chicken dinner. Thank you guys for supporting my friend FD White. Doing that giveaway now. Make sure you check out a lot of his videos. There are a lot of very helpful videos. Always bringing you guys a lot of alpha and helping you guys navigate this crazy crypto world, man. It's always nuts. Nova FPV. Congratulations, Nova, on your FPV drone, man. Otter gang, gang, gang. Come over to the Discord. We'll hook you up with a membership. Thank you guys for subscribing to FD White, my man. God bless you, bro. We just got you like, what were you at? Got you like 70 subscribers, bro. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. We pumping. Those are some non-rookie numbers, guy. Let's go, baby. Gang, gang, gang. Congrats, Nova. Come over to the Discord. We'll hook you up with a monthly membership. Or if you're already a member and it's just a different name, we'll hook you up as well with some USDT, baby. Let's go. Congratulations on Nova FPV. Let's go, baby. Bitcoin ripping. Bitcoin ripping. Thank you guys for supporting my friend FD White, man. It's a great, great person. We're here sitting in Nova. Welcome. You're going to get access to the entire membership here. I'm going to copy this video and send it over. Make sure you watch this video because it will help you navigate the plethora of alpha we have over here in the Otter Gang Discord. Okay. Thank you for being here, man. I'll change that over right now. Just send me a picture of your post a picture of your Nova AFPV so I know that it's you. And bada bing, bada boom, you got it. Good morning, family. I guess I should have held that trade, eh? My God. I should have held that trade. Look at this thing go. Look at this thing go, man. Thank you guys for showing up. Incredible. That's it. That's it. Congrats, Nova. Congrats, man. FD White's a solid dude, man. I think the best thing about like the people we met were like, thank you for just being normal, bro. We just laughing. We just laughing. Oh, man. Anybody still in that long? Let me know. Now, FD, you got to answer this. FD, tacos or pasta? Tacos or pasta, bro? You got. For me, tacos are gone, bro. Tacos are gone. Like, I ain't going to eat a taco in the winter. And you're in Detroit, so you know. You want that hearty pasta. I mean, I am biased. I am Italian, but oh, man. In long. Good job, everybody. In long. Let's go. I need them tacos, bro. I'm not gonna lie. We ain't talking about beardless bed taco, FD. We talking about the food. Okay? Oh man, too good, too good, too good. Gotta have a good laugh, man. I'm gonna get some coffee, everybody. I'll be quick. It's right here. Bitcoin to the moon. All right. Coming up to our target for the long. Well, continuation trade's not easy here, guys. So, what's going on, Jeanette? Good morning to you. How's it going? Thank you, everybody, for showing up for my friend, Mr. FD White. Smacking up those like buttons. Love from Bangladesh. Thank you for being here as well. Redman, good morning to you. Sharkfin, good morning. Ando Poncho. Paper Planes. Paper Planes, they got you that hookup for Bitunix. New event happening now. VIP 3 status, okay? We got the VIP 3 status coming at you. What do we got here? We got this. This is our new campaign for Bitunix. You got VIP 3 status, trading rewards, trading volume, deposit, bonus, all that good stuff coming at you. All goody goods, okay? All goody goods here. I believe that my link is right here. I ain't a shiller, but I got a good I got 30% discount on trading fees, guys. I mean, 30%. I believe Altcoin Daily. This is the same as Altcoin Daily, and I ain't no Altcoin Daily, okay? I got you guys a really good deal because we trade. We trade volume, baby. So if you do want that link, I believe this is it here. That's my link. If you do want to support the channel, right? Altcoin Daily doesn't need you guys to use his exchange, man. The guy's got... For me, I'll go and use other people's links. Like, I should... Someone wanted a Tangent wallet. I use TradeFlies, right? Like, you got to give... You're not going to... You know, these guys... These big, you know, coin bureaus, and they don't need your... They need it. They want your subscription. But who are you going to support? You're going to support the little guy, or you're going to support the big guy, right? I always try to go and find someone to support rather than the big wigs, you know? I'll always go and find someone else's link. Because that's how you should be, in my opinion. And do it and don't tell anybody. Like, I'm telling you guys, but like, do it and don't tell anybody. That's called humble pie, baby. We got very strong bullish momentum right now. We'll see if we do want to continue. Okay. Aggressive. Be aggressive. So right now, Bitcoin's ripping, coming up to our target of our previous day high. We'll see if it does want to continue or get rejected here. Very overextended. We did take the little long in here. We could have made a little bit more money, but that's fine. That's fine. Stopped out in profit. So now we wait to re-enter. Volume has decreased, as we can see. Let me check on the chart. Yeah, we do have a little decrease in volume here after that aggressive push-up. So we'll see if we do want to continue out. Zooming out a little bit here. So we are coming for all this liquidity, as we said. Okay, so our next kind of target as we proceed is coming up into this area in here. Okay, so we'll see if we can proceed up and onwards here. We got a nice break of the downwards trend line here. Continuation up. Okay. Nice momentum. Nice changing character here. Continuation trade. Bullish move. The hourly looking good. Beautiful candle just now printing at 9 o'clock. This is a beautiful candle here for our 9 o'clock candle. Looking at our NASDAQ here. Big push up. Pennant looking for continuation. Now let's be aware that, typically we get retracements. So how do we get into a trend? What are the ways we teach in the Discord on how to get into an uptrend? Well, we look for retest of order blocks. We look for retest of previous highs. We look for continuation trades. Okay. These are more risky. The higher we get, the more risky it gets. Okay. Because waves, to all the Elliott wave theorists, okay, it's much more risky getting in up in here versus getting in up here, right? So if we've broken out here, 1, 2, right? We could be getting a little bit overextended here, which to me tells me to be patient and to wait for a pullback. And if we get it, great. If we don't, we look to re-enter in different ways, okay? But we just want to be as patient as possible here. I know it's not easy. When you see price running away and you're like, man, I should have longed. I should have been in AlexOCrypto's Discord when he gave me the long setup last night. I'm talking smack, but it's true. It's true, okay? It's true. Okay, I'm talking smack, but it's true. And I didn't take it because I was done trading for the day because I'm an old man. I'm very happy to come to the charts, make my money in the first 4 hours, 5 hours of the day. I like to shut down my day at 1 o'clock. That has always been my goal. Come to the charts, kick ass, help the Discord. Now, I stopped trading at 1 o'clock. Doesn't mean I don't stop working. I'm always working for the Discord. So, but for me, yesterday was very choppy. And, if you've made, like I said, if you made money yesterday or the past couple days, you've done well. Give yourself a pat on the back. Say, good job, bro. Keep working. Keep hustling. Right? Trading ain't easy. All right, so tacos are out the window, guys. Sorry, everybody, but tacos are gone. We're going to go to fruit now, okay? Because, this has been fun. Tradefly, don't tell him my secrets, bro. I actually shut it down yesterday. I've been more reserved after having a $3,000 day. More reserved, okay? All right. We're going to go to fruit. Fruit. One, gotta go. Okay? We got cherries. We got strawberry. All right? We got bananas. All right? And we have, what's an alpha fruit? We're going to go peach. We'll see how this does. You guys got to get your votes in quick. We're doing. People just said pasta because Alex Italian. Yeah, well, we could sell the. I could. Blueberries. Oh man, I forgot blueberries. We'll let this one roll. Then we'll go. Blueberries does do well. Antioxidant, very healthy. Okay. Discord link keeps saying invalid. Discord link says invalid. I don't know. Here, let me create a invite here. Here you go. Rolling over a little bit here, losing that bullish momentum, okay? Dusty's losing faith in the group, everybody. I don't know. The Otter Gang's not to his taste. No worries. What's going on, Curtis Hill? Multitask away, bro. Men can multitask, but quietly. That's it. You got to be quiet when you're multitasking. You can't add vocalizing anything as you're multitasking. No trade here. A little overextended, guys. So I'm looking here. Retest. Any sort of retest in here would be welcomed. Nice push here. NASDAQ looks like it wants to keep going. We got 10 minutes till market opens, everybody. 9 minutes, actually. Sorry, that just flipped. Thank you, everybody, for smacking up that like button, subscribing if you're new. We got 224 likes. That's really awesome, guys. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it. And a whole bunch of you in here hanging out. So thank you for smacking up like buttons, subscribing if you're new, all that stuff. We're doing the mod stream tomorrow, so we'll be trading for the mods and be trading for the mods, and all the giveaways go to the mods. So thank you guys for saving all your wallets, for giving it away to the mods tomorrow. Always love a good mod stream. We missed it last month because I was in Vegas, but we will be doing that tomorrow. So that will be fun as well. All right, so what do we got here? Cherries, peaches, got to go. Okay, cherries and peaches are gone, so we got bananas and strawberries surviving. Bananas and strawberries surviving. One gotta go. Okay, I know this is the poll now. You guys ready? Banana, strawberry. You guys aren't ready for this one. You guys aren't ready for this one. Blueberry. Watermelon. Oh no. He just went there. He just went to the watermelon. No. No, he went watermelon. Mango. Mango. I love mango. Mango's one of my favorite fruits. You guys have some taste. Strawberries for the win, man. Strawberries. Nobody getting rid of strawberries. Blueberry muffins. I got some blueberry muffins right now. Not even going to lie. Rolling over here. No shorts, guys. I'm not looking to short right now. Not on this ripper. Wave Safer is probably already short. Watermelon's too messy. Blueberry. Strawberries kicking butt. Strawberries kicking butt. Blueberries getting crushed. Blueberries so healthy though, man. Okay. You guys are one gotta go. So now we're going straw. Banana. Mango. All right. Now this is really, now we're finding out. Now we are sieving it down, man. We are sieving it down. One's got to go. You got a mango. You got a ripe mango, a beautiful juicy mango. You got juicy British strawberries. And you got some delicious banana smoothie. Ooh, a banana smoothie, baby. Ooh. You got that potassium in that banana. It's not messy because it's got the peel. Banana's just the alpha, like. All right. Well, you guys have spoken. You got strawberry. We got bananas, man. All right. You got to pick one to keep. Which one's better? Team strawberry or team banana? A banana is more versatile. Insert rude comment. Bloody grip. Insert rude comment, man. Melon is an aphrodisiac. You people are weird. Dusty is all right. Guys, strawberries are so good, man. Like that, a fresh, ripe British strawberry. My God. Whew. Strawberry jam? Guys, don't get me started. Oh, man. Coming into market open here, everybody. So, a beautiful push up. A break of this trend line. Coming up to our two targets, which would be 106 and then 106.8. Okay, those are our two targets. Looking for any sort of pullback. That 105 level is kind of a doozy, so maybe we flag out and then we go. Okay, but a beautiful break. USDT dominance, mitigating the low in here. This is bullish. Bearish divergence, continuation down, rejection off the trend line. We were looking at that this morning. Okay, the SPY looking for a gap up this morning. Okay, we got triple top in here. If we gap up, we hold this low. So we gap up, we hold the low. We look for continuation. The NASDAQ, breakout of the flag, right? We talked about this as well. So we're looking for any sort of retracement to be met with continuation, right? Retracement, continuation. Let's not get overly bullish. Let's be aware. Okay, we want to use good risk management. We want to maximize our trap so that when we get in, we have a good level of risk management, so protecting our downside. Okay, so if this and that price action, we'll see what we get today. Okay, but a nice break, top of the range. We're getting into the premium section. Okay, up in here, discount premium, right? So we're getting up into that higher where we should be looking for shorts. However, we do not want to fade this bullish momentum. Okay, a beautiful move this morning. Everybody getting all excited. Okay, European Central Bank cut rates to 2%. Okay. Looking good so far. Okay. Looking good so far. We'll see if that wants to continue to push up price. Let's not get overly bullish. Let's just be level-headed here, which isn't always easy. We have taken one trade already this morning. Quick 70, what was it? $75 or something? Quick $72, baby. Easy peasy lemon squeezy continuation trade. Okay, take profit quick, get out. So we'll see what we got over here. Above VWAP, slapping that VWAP this morning, reclaiming VWAP continuation. That was possibly a good trade this morning. Anchor trigger wave in here, but this was slow and choppy, and then pow, right? So we have pushed. We're coming into market open. We got a minute and a bit. We'll see how it does, okay? Thank you, everybody, for being here, smacking up like buttons, talking about strawberries, all that good stuff. We got 450 people on the live stream. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're having a wonderful, wonderful week. If you are surviving this week, using good risk management and taking some profits away, you've done a good job. This isn't an easy week of trading, but so far so good for me. Every day's been positive. It's not always how it goes, but we try our best to mitigate that risk and take high probability trade setups. Looks like strawberry for the win, guys. Strawberry for the win. Incredible. Incredible. Let me know if you are in the long, everybody. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're thinking about, or if you are short, but we'll see. We'll see. Thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel, smacking up that like button. Good times here, man. Good times. Let's go. We got some longers in here. We got RS Miller in the chat. Good morning. Good morning, Dingbag. Good morning, Viral Web. Crypto Surfer. Still long. Good job, bro. I'm sitting on my hands, baby. I'm long from 104.7. That's a nice entry, man. Good job. Good job. Nice entry. I mean, this is a previous daily high. This is a target. I mean, I'd always suggest taking profits. I don't like to leave a lot on the table. I like to take my profits, so I always suggest you take something off. Don't make your time for nothing, right? Don't make your time for nothing. But it also depends on your trading strategy. Are you a swing trader? Are you know? We're not long again, Billy. No, we closed out. We're waiting here for any sort of pullback. Market is open, everybody. Ding, 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 ding. Gap up. So big gap up here for our S&P. Pushing price up, but a little bit of a retracement right now as we're speaking. We'll see what happens here with the S&P pushing up and down, okay? NASDAQ pump and dump. Okay, looks like we might get a little rollover here coming down for Bitcoin. Looking for it to come down into our order block down below here. Typically looking for the long here, but let's be patient. Let's let this bake a little bit here as price continues to rug all the late longs in here. Thank you, everybody, for smacking up those like buttons. Market is open. Let's see what we get today, man. A pump and dump wouldn't surprise me, man. A pump and dump. Coming down into our order block. Typically, I would look for this trade right now, but right now it's market open. You don't want to typically risk right away. We want to let it settle a bit. It's the hardest thing is to wait for your 15-minute orb to form. Okay, so our open range breakout that we do trade here quite often, we got to wait for it to form, which is the first 15 minutes. Okay, so we watch price action. We try to make better decisions based on price action. So right now, the better decision is to wait, in my opinion. Coming into this area in here, retesting. We do have a good support level up in here. We can pull our fib right now from low to high, from impulse to high here. So we can see that we are looking, that's quite cool. Looking down here at our key level of support. We have VWAP creeping up as well. So we are looking in here for a potential long trade. Right now, tapping that order block, looking for a continuation possibility. I'm not taking this trade. This is a trade that I do typically take, but not at market open. I'm not going to, this is a continuation setup that we do take in the Discord as well, that we do teach it. I can't tell you all the secrets, so I'm not going to. But we wait right now. We wait because market's open, not because of anything else, but because we do not want to be a victim of whatever's going on. What if Nvidia said their chips are broken? I don't know. You tell me. You tell me. Thank you guys for being here, though, and supporting the channel, hanging out. Subscribing if you're new, man. Come over to the Discord. We gave the trade setup last night for the long. Long has banged, so pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. Still waiting here, everybody. Nice bounce for NASDAQ. No bounce for the S&P. USDT dominance retesting. Retesting. We want it to get rejected here, basically, is what we're trying to say, right? Bitcoin ripping. See if we do want to continue here. Stalling out, trapping longs. In my opinion, they're trapping longs right now. I think they come lower. Could be a good old pump and fake out, right? So we were talking about that on the Discord. We get breakout retest, right? This could be our retest, or this could be our big old fake out, right? And then rug everybody. Zooming out just a little bit here. So we have grabbed liquidity out of the highs here and the highs here. Price is continuing to roll over. Don't worry, I'm always watching it on my other screen. Okay, we still have liquidity up at the highs in here that we can come for. Okay, still very possible. Trying to bounce out of this order block in here. Retest to previous highs, retest to these previous highs. Okay, so you have a couple of confluences within this area here for this buy level, but for now I'm just trying to be patient. The S&P still looks a little bit bearish, so does the Nasdaq. Bitcoin trying to bounce right now. $9.35 everybody. Thank you for being here. Dump and pump it, dump it. We know Wave Cipher is short. We know Wave Cipher is short. When he's saying dump it, we know he's short. This is a retest of previous lows. Coming in right now. Here's your little general wick test. Typically, if this is going to roll over, it'll come and test this wick here. It'll test this wick here, and then it'll continue to dump generally. Okay. Let's see what happens here, everybody. We got a nice trigger wave forming here on our 3-minute, but nothing for me yet. 12-minute overextended here on our market cipher. 24. Red dot. VWAP crossover to the downside. Okay, so not looking too good here on our short-term market cipher. Long-term looks good. We already discussed that. Our 1, our 2, our 3 are got lots of room to the upside on all these. 1 hour to the 4 hour, all these kind of anchor wave, trigger waves in the bottom here pushing up. Okay, so all these look good. But you can get those mild retracements before continuations here. Okay, here's your order block. Here's your pushback into that low. Like I said, typically we do take this order block trade, but for now it's not something that I'm interested in just because of market open here. Don't want to mess with whatever Google wants to do or whatever Tesla wants to do. Want to be prepared as best as possible. Still waiting here. That's our low retest right now that we're getting. Volume has died since this morning push. Okay, so picking up a little bit right now, but what's our VIX at? Yeah, VIX is at 17. This is pretty low, guys. It's pretty low. We wait. The volatility index just helps us, especially as a scalper. I would like it a bit higher. I like a VIX. For me, I like VIX around 20, 22. I like it up in here. It's fast enough. Here, it's like molasses to me. This is really slow. And then anything above 23 is like, you better be quick. You think this is quick where I'm trading here, you should try and trade VIX when it's at 30. That's the fun times. Downtrending momentum, rejection. Still waiting here. A little bit of patience, guys. We'll see what it gives us here. Rejection. Projection continuation down to VWAP possibly here. Nice fair value gap down in here as well, guys. Okay. This could be the fake out we were just talking about. Nice trade, Wave Cypher. Good job, bro. Good patience, everybody. 940. That's a big fake out. Look at the big fake out here on the NASDAQ, guys. Jeez. They got everybody this morning on the NASDAQ. They got them hard, man. That you know, a lot of people just got absolutely wrecked on NASDAQ just there. Just there. Right there. Boom. These guys are they're all calling their grandma. Especially on, oh man, my prop firm account. Oh my God, my prop firm account. My Apex 20 accounts is ruined. I better call grandma for my $50 so we can go and do another evaluation. Go make some money. And then not get any withdrawals. No payouts. 0 payouts. The only payout you're getting is that you're paying out to Uber for driving because you got into an accident. Oh, man. Too funny. Vicks Vapo Rub. Okay. Buy the fear. Buy the fear. Going down, Betty. Ando Pancho says, that's a nice SFP right now. I'm trying to be patient. Andor, good morning. Good to see you, Nova. Good morning. Congratulations on your win today, Nova. Al Jr. says, when you beatbox, my dogs stare at the TV and bark at the TV. Do it. My wife is sleeping. Boom, 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 boom. When the night boom 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 Take that. Tell me when your wife isn't sleeping. I don't want to wake up your wife, man. I'm just a bachelor, looking for a partner. Without even falling on. Ladies and gentlemen, still not ready for the 4 elements. Earth. Boom 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Wind, orsh, lish, biz, sidu. Sidu, hut. Puno, press, watch, wonk, two. If your mother only knew. If your mother only knew. She'd probably throw you out her home. Here's the tricky part. The beat and the chorus at the same time. We're here all week, baby. Let's go. Oh, that's enough out of me, man. I ain't gonna have a voice left if I keep this up, man. Hopefully you all enjoyed that, man. I don't know. I used to love beatboxing when I was little. Drop it like it's hot. This is an Impulse Golden Pocket 786 there, Django. Coming down to our key level here, bouncing. Looking for a bounce. Looking for a bounce right now. As we speak, we do have orb in. Okay, orb is in. Let's mark out our orb. Looking for the bounce. Actually, right now, we'll see if we do get it. Coming at our top of our orb right in here. Okay, we'll see if we do want to continue. Down, down, down. Everybody getting rugged right now. Late longs to the party. Late longs to the party, guys. So, my friends, be careful here. Orb is in. Looking for the bounce right here. We'll see if we get it. Oh, da 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 da. Boom, 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 boom. Shorts printing, baby. Shorts printing. VWAP slap. I like the VWAP slap here. If we can get slapped, we'll see if it works. A little bit lower. VWAP slap and go. It's gotta go below and then reclaim it. If you're wondering, go below and reclaim. VWAP slap coming in right now. Only on the reclaim do we press long here. Only on the reclaim do we press long here. Congratulations, Dusty, on that short, man. Great job, bro. Or Wave Cipher. Wave Cipher was in the short. That's it right there. VWAP slap. See if we can get continuation out of here. I'm long. Damn, Daniel, it's ripping to the downside here. We might be in trouble. I think I may have rushed this. Everybody. Just looking for a VWAP slap. This thing's just rugging everybody. NASDAQ was a big fake out this morning. Stop loss just below the slow in here. I am long up in here. We'll see if we do push back. It's a good slap retest of the previous trend line here. Not really going our way here. And for a pushback. See if we can get the pushback in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Enjoying the beatbox. See if we can continue to push here. No pushback yet. Come on, Bitcoin. Push it, baby. We in it, everybody. So we'll see. We'll see if we can fire back here. We'll see if we can fire back here. Right now, it's a pretty ugly pump and dump. The Vecta candles, he says. I think Wave Cipher might be winning. Wave Cipher be winning today, baby. Good job, bro. Very volatile right now. A little bit of a battle going on right here. A little bit of a battle. We'll see if it does push or not. A little bit underwater right here. I guess I rushed it a wee bit. Gonna look for the retest of the previous high. Sometimes you're a little bit early to the party. I don't like that we're underneath VWAP right now. I do not like that. This is a pretty good fake out. They've done a good job today, the market maker. I'll give them that. Getting everybody a little bit excited this morning. We're not fully underwater, but not looking too good right now, everybody. Okay? Might get stopped out here. Full loss. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. That is a nasty, nasty, nasty dump this morning. I'm stopped out for $300 loss just now. You got to share it. $400 with slippage. That's nasty. $400 with slippage. Stopped out. Okay. Share it. Carrot. It's okay to be wrong sometimes. Big dump, man. Looking to reset here. Coming back in. Big fake out this morning. My God. Nasty. Short was the way. Good job, Wave Cipher. You're right. You don't always anticipate that. We do want to be we do want to wait here now. We'll see if we do get a bounce. See if we get a push up. I'd like to push back into VWAP here. We'll see. See how big the fake out is, right? We'll see how big it is. The short was the play. My God, this is nasty. Sweeping everybody. That's a big game, man. That is a big game here. Put a 1 in the chat if you are short. My God, dump it. Put a 1 in the... They've done a good job today. I'll say that. They've done a good job today. I feel like hammering along, though. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to lie. I feel like hammering along. Now that it swept that low. I'm not going to. No revenge trading for me. What a rug, though, man. Look at the NASDAQ. VIX picking up. That's good. Look at the USDT dominance. My God. That is filthy. V-shaped recovery. What an aggressive move, everybody. So, the big fake out this morning, rugging everybody. Okay. Sending it, the elevator down. The elevator down is what we've taken today, everybody. The elevator down. Sorry we didn't catch the short, man. Oof. That would have been a nice short. Sweeping the lows in here, looking for a bounce. Okay, as long as we hold lows in here, like we said, as long as we hold lows in here, we're still good. But right now, this does not look pretty, okay? This does not look pretty. Sweeping a lot of liquidity in here, guys. Sweeping a lot of liquidity, a lot of people getting wrecked today. I'll tell you that much. Bam, bam. Thank you, Jam. Jeez. That's a big sweep. Who's short? That's what I want to know. You guys are all crushing it. Did they liquidate that win guy? Holy 2-hour candle, Batman. Yeah, I know, right? Crazy. Crazy. They be hunting today, man. They be hunting. They got their bow and crossbow out. They're ready. They be hunting, man. Look at this. This is crazy. Look at that waterfall. Boom. Boom. Wave Cypher getting paid today, baby. Short, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm not jumping in on this. I'm watching it. I'm like, man, this is nasty. This is nasty. This is why imagine we didn't use a stop loss. So, guys, imagine we didn't take the $300 loss, right? Imagine. So this is why we use good risk management, right? There's always something to be learned here. Okay, there's always something to be learned. We'll see if we get the bounce. That's enough out of me. I'm going to reset my charts. I'm going to update the Discord. See if we can find something for you guys. Pullback levels, baby. It's all about those pullback levels. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel, hanging out with me this morning. God bless every single one of you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Don't forget, trade safe. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips